What's going on, everybody? Sean from Premier Outdoor Living. I'm going to show you how to install this beautiful UFP Edge thermally modified ceiling. It's really easy. What you're going to want to do is start with a really straight line. So snap a line at your starting point. Make sure that your first row is completely straight because that's going to dictate everything else. Once you finish your first row, use that cutoff to start your next row. The really nice thing about this is it's end matched. So you don't have to split on a rafter. And that's going to do two things. It's going to speed up install immensely, and it's going to reduce waste. So you're not going to have as many cutoffs. You're going to continue in that fashion, just using your leftover at the end of your run to start your next run, and make sure that you're staggering your seams a little bit. So you can take that cutoff, save it for the next row if your seams are lining up too close. You're going to install it by nailing through the tongue, and that is going to completely conceal all of your fasteners throughout the entire thing. And you're going to want to make sure that all of those fasteners are stainless steel for exterior applications, and it's even recommended for interior applications as well. Now, if you're not going to be starting your project as soon as the material gets delivered, you want to store it at least a foot off of the ground, keep it covered out of the elements, and make sure it's not in any standing water. If you follow all of these steps, you're going to end up with a ceiling that looks great, easy to install, and super low maintenance.